In recently held meeting with chiefs of general insurance companies and finance ministry officials and DFS secretary, it was discussed to mitigate frauds in insurance sector, to link it with CIBIL like score, and it was discussed, and there will be insurance score will be issued as per your overall history of your insurance. So the CIBIL-like scorecard will mitigate frauds and bring transparency in the sector. And insurance card can be maintained by Insurance Information Bureau. So insurance companies will analyze the data from the Insurance Information Bureau before underwriting a policy, and policy premium can be increased or reduced as per your insurance score. So recently, as per the discussion with government also, general insurance companies have mentioned that there is a 10 to 15% of leakage happening, frauds happening in insurance industry. In health insurance, only around 9,000 crore of leakage has happened in FY23. So with this kind of CIBIL score, the leakage can be mitigated, and saving on fraud claims will result in lowering of premium for individuals, because as the overall claims get increased, the premium also get increased. So if the fraud can be mitigated, frauds can be stopped. So overall increase in premium can also be stopped. So this is on discussion. It was discussed with the government, DFS secretary, finance ministry, to have a CIBIL-like score in insurance industry.
Right. Thank you for that, Anurag. But